Does YouTube TV include ESPN Plus? No, YouTube TV does not include ESPN Plus as part of its subscription. While YouTube TV offers a variety of ESPN channels such as ESPN, ESPN2, and ESPNU among its live TV channels, ESPN Plus is a separate streaming service offered by ESPN. Here's what you need to know about accessing ESPN Plus and YouTube TV. Number 1. Understand these services. YouTube TV provides live streaming of ESPN channels as part of its base package, allowing you to watch live sports broadcasts and ESPN shows. ESPN Plus offers additional content not found on regular ESPN channels, including exclusive live sports events, original programming, and access to premium articles on ESPN Plus. Number 2. Separate subscriptions. You must subscribe to ESPN Plus separately from YouTube TV. ESPN Plus has its own subscription cost, which is independent of YouTube TV. Number 3. ESPN Plus cost. ESPN Plus typically costs around $9.99 per month, or you can purchase an annual subscription for a discounted rate. Number 4. How to access ESPN Plus. Download the ESPN app on your device, which is available on most streaming platforms including smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. Subscribe to ESPN Plus through the ESPN app, and you can start streaming the additional content offered. Number 5. Combining both services. While YouTube TV and ESPN Plus are billed separately, you can use both to get a comprehensive sports viewing experience. YouTube TV covers general live sports and ESPN programming, while ESPN Plus will provide access to exclusive sports content and additional programming. Number 6. Consider bundles. ESPN Plus is also available as part of the Disney Bundle, which includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus at a combined discount rate. If you are interested in all three services, this bundle can offer a more cost-effective solution.